Hey, what's going on? This is Asa, and you have finally found it. This is the place for you. The Wealth Tools. Whether you're an employee or not an employee, or entrepreneur or want to be an entrepreneur, whether you're a single parent, typically you want to retire with some kind of wealth. You think about it, you dream about it, you focus on it, and you get to roughly 40 years old, you're like, wait a minute, I haven't done the things I need to do so that I can get to a retirement place that I want to go. So this is the place for you. This is the channel. It's going to give you tips, going to give you videos, going to give you different interviews of industry professionals who are going to help you on your wealth building journey. So when you think about something, you're able to focus on it, and then you can help create it. And that's what I want you guys to be able to do. Create wealth. Be a wealth builder. So welcome to the channel. I am looking forward to developing a relationship with you because it's all about you and where you want to go. And I want to help you get to your wealth building journey. I want to help you get to your retirement goals. So go ahead and click the button to subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell so that you're notified of future videos, because we're going to be coming to you weekly with different videos to help you understand the tools you need, how to lay the foundation, and how to build and level up so that you can get the penthouse suite that you want on your wealth building journey. All right, so welcome to the channel again. I look forward to serving you. I look forward to the conversation. I look forward to the community that is developing. Talk to you soon, and keep hustling.